is the Coons Report. And this episode will be about reparation. And believe it or not, only the Coons are talking about it. Let me prove my point. Why, when it was a Democratic president, let's say Obama, Biden, why nobody would talk about reparation? Nobody was saying nothing. It came up a few times, but not like it is now. Why would it come up during the most racist administration in president history? Why you would expect a president who done came at black people in every angle he can by firing 300,000 black women, by canceling Black History Month, by canceling Martin Luther King's birthday, by saying anyone who teaches black history in America, you would take away their federal funding? Who in the hell would bring up reparation with what we got in the administration right now? See, the reason they bringing up reparation, 60% of them is to belittle the Democrats. See, y'all think they talking over black people, they want to get up paid. No. They bring it up to belittle Democrats. Because they know goddamn well a Republican president ain't finna give us shit. Think about it. I'm trying to learn y'all the tricks what these coons do. So every time you see a coon say, let's not vote until we get reparation, they want Trump to win the election. Every time a coon say, don't vote Democrat, don't vote Democrat. Why? Until we get reparation. They want Trump and the Republican to win. Why? I don't know. Some say they're getting paid. Because you know Trump know the richest man in the world. $100 million ain't shit to this man to spend on dethroning the Democrat. The man already paid for election and announced it on TV. So everybody who vote Republican, I'm going to give them this or that, this and that. Standing outside a polling booth, got people out there paying people to vote Democrat. You would think that'd be against the law, but it's not. But the coons are out there by the million now, and they work. Us older cats look at them and laugh, wondering who gonna believe that. But they getting the young blacks. Anybody under 40, that's who they going after, 40 and under. Don't vote Democrat. They ain't give up reparation. Trying to get reparation from a Republican Party is like going to David Dukes and say, give us reparation. It's funny because these coons saying, black people, the Democrat is the KKK party. Well, the Democrat didn't cancel Black History in America. A Democrat didn't goddamn cancel Black History Month or Martin Luther King's birthday. The Democrats ain't trying to get all the museum to take all the black history out of the museum. The Republicans are. Think about it. Kumbaya.